How to change language in Chrome browser. And this is the result from Korean to Indonesian. Watch until the end. Let's tell you how to change the language in the Chrome browser. First, open the browser. Once it's open, go to the top right, where there are these three dots. Then select Settings. Once open, select Advanced. Select Language. Then select the one above itself. And here there is an option. Just click on the three dots and then select Display Google Chrome in this language. Then the word Relaunch appears. Click this, it will automatically close and reopen. The language has changed according to what we chose. If not, there is a language that we want to choose. We can add it directly here. Then search for the language. Then select Add. And this result turns into Korean he. Just return it to Indonesian. Which is Indonesian. I'm confused for a moment. Just try this first. Wow, that's true. If there is a question, please leave a comment. Yes, good luck. I hope this video is useful. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and thank you.